Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Sologenic and COREUM interoperability renaissance. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that, you guys can check out the exclusive crypto growth exclusive discount offer on Decent, guys. It has got a biometric wallet which has got $50 off, and Decent is convenient, safe, and secure, guys. And you can also check out the biometric wallet 2x package as well, which has got $129 off. It supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. So you guys can check out the link in the description box below to check out all of these products and discounts. Anyways, guys, let us look into the price and chart of both Sologenic and COREUM at the time of the recording, guys. So this is Sologenic. It is down 6.72% for the day, guys. But guys, if you look at so many of the different projects, guys, Solo hasn't bled as much, but that is because it hasn't moved as well that much since the last few months. So it hasn't gone down that much in comparison to other coins. I know coins that have gone 50% down, 45% down. So yeah, it has dipped as well in the last 7 days, 17.61%, guys. But if you look at the other coins, they've gone down 50% more. But yeah, obviously 20% for a coin that has already not moved that much, guys. It is not cool, obviously. But check this out, guys. This is the same range that it has been since the last 1 year. So we are seeing not much difference over here. So people haven't suffered as much in Sologenic as in other coins, but because we're used to it, this price chart since the last year or so. Whenever the price goes up, check this out. From it went all the way from 10 cents, 10, 15, it all the way to almost 19 cents. Comes back down. This is the attraction point, 15 cents. It breaks through this, comes down 0.08, and then again towards the 8 19 cents mark, then again the same attraction point. But you guys can notice one thing, that this range is now getting a bit narrower, and I think that from here on out it won't reach this price level over here, support level over here. It might do a rebound from the 0.11 12 cents 11 cents 11 and a half cents level. It might rebound because I think that it is still undervalued, guys. It hasn't moved. A lot of people are frustrated. I've seen in the comment box below people crying and basically complaining that Solo hasn't moved. A lot of projects have moved already. They're right. It hasn't. It is way down since its all-time high, $6.0774, guys. But $48 million market cap for a project that is doing a high on real-world asset tokenization, and basically tokenizing stocks, shares, and other stuff, guys. It's going to be huge. Check this out. What is this? Solo and COREUM Binance listing announcement this month. 10 to 20x guaranteed. I mean, I do not know how legit this is, anyways. So, COREUM is following the same path almost like any other coin at the moment. Dip 7.81 for the day, 14.77% in the last 7 days, 28.85% down in the last month, 56.67% down in the last year, guys. We're coming back towards a crucial support over here as well, 11 cents, like Sologenic as well, a crucial support level over here. So it has basically all the profit that it had made since this time, 29 cents. It has basically given that back at the moment. But guys, crypto or any investment, guys, it is the name of patience, guys. There are a lot of projects that I know that have done extremely well in the long run, but every one of them have required patience. There are many projects that you've seen that people have sold on dips and then they have gone on to give multiple access, basically, guys. So yeah, $45 million market cap for a coin that is ISO 20022 compliant, focusing on enterprises. I mean, it can be huge. So, guys, let us look into what's new with Sologenic and COREUM and what are they doing. Check this out, guys. This is the official X handle of Sologenic, April 5. The interoperability renaissance is in full effect with XRP joining bridged assets on COREUM. Check this out. 800,000 plus XRP, 1700,000 plus Solo. More than how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 570 million plus COREUM. Check out XRPL COREUM Bridge and start putting your assets to work. So check this out what this is.
XRP has been bridged from the XRPL. In just 1 week, more than 430,000 XRP has been bridged from the XRPL to COREUM, marking a significant milestone in blockchain interoperability. Beyond moving tokens from one blockchain to another, the bridge unlocked access to various DeFi applications for XRPL users. With a couple of clicks, you can reach any IBC-connected chain through a decentralized pathway. Sologenic does the routing for you. Each bridged token gains smart features once it lands on COREUM. Features such as whitelisting, freezing, and burning, opening the doors to advanced tokenization flows and use cases that will ultimately bring more value to the XRPL ecosystem. Supercharge your assets with Sologenic.
So guys, this bridge can be huge because interoperability is the way going forward, and Sologenic is being used as a router to connect these assets with COREUM. And when they get connected to COREUM, guys, when they become interoperable, they get access to the smart token mechanism, whitelisting, freezing, burning, everything happens. Let us look at what is this, the Sologenic COREUM bridge. Just check this out, guys. This is the COREUM bridge. Wait a moment. Interoperability is the future, guys. You know that. The coins, the blockchains that are isolated, I do not think that they will survive in the long run. The projects that are basically connecting or connecting with one another or connecting the legacy systems, the traditional finance with the blockchain, guys, they are going to be doing extremely well. So check this out, guys. This is the XRP ledger, from XRP ledger to COREUM Connect wallet. Check this out. Search tokens, Pulsara, Solo, ELS, VGP, USDT, Atom, COREUM. So yeah, XRP Ledger, Cosmos Hub, Evmos, Gravity Bridge, Kava, Kujira, Noble, Osmosis, Secret Network. So guys, this is awesome. Basically, XRPL is getting connected to COREUM and interoperability at its best. Or at least the renaissance, the rise of interoperability again. Let us look at what else Sologenic has been up to, what COREUM has been up to. Join the Sologenic Foundation at Paris Blockchain Week. A lot of good projects are now joining the Paris Blockchain Week, guys. They had joined, I mean, the Paris Blockchain Week. I think it has commenced. We talked about it in the Casper Labs video as well. Stop by the booth in the XRPL zone to connect with the team, grab some swag, and check out upcoming initiatives. Okay, so over 1,600,000, 1.6 million guys plus XRP are living on the Cosmos ecosystem using the XRPL COREUM bridge. Supercharge your XRPL native assets today. Awesome, guys. 1.6 plus million XRP bridged. That's a wrap for day one Paris Blockchain Week. Block Week, Sologenic stood at the XRPL zone along other key ecosystem builders. Awesome. The future of email is AI. Deposits have resumed. Use the XRPL AMM to trade your favorite assets like Solo, XRP, and COREUM. Streamlined liquidity, decentralized fee structure, precision trading. Okay, so this is the pin post. The XRPL AMM is live. Let us look at what COREUM has been up to. What is new with COREUM over here? So this is the title. This is the statement from which the title came. The interoperability renaissance, bridge to the core. What are people talking about it? Let us look at this. XRPL COREUM bridge. Check this out, guys. XRPL. This is COREUM bridge. What is IBC? On the horizon soon, expanding support for interoperability with EVM-compatible networks such as Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polkadot, and Avalanche through IBC. This will allow assets from these chains to flow back and forth between COREUM and these blockchains seamlessly. Let me bookmark this. Seems interesting, guys. What have people commented over here? Dot, it's getting late. Missing the party will leave a bitter taste in the mouth of community members. If you know, you know. That's the ticket. Is the 20 million core airdrop for COREUM airdrop for solo holders still early 2024? And when's the big? Okay, so anyways, Bob, why when you bridge COREUM back to XRPL on solo, is it now a new token with no value? It can be traded at. It seems like it's a rug at the moment. So different opinions, guys. What do you guys think about this? Impermanent loss has lost me 1600 COREUM in under 2 months, adding liquidity, hence losing net value as price goes up. Please explain how this adds value, instills confidence, and is good for COREUM holders. Bob, Reza, Zen, has anyone explained? Can you explain to me what you mean? Are you adding liquidity on Pulsara DEX? If so, you will notice COREUM disappearing daily. So he's talking about the Pulsara DEX. If anyone knows about this, they can hit the comment box below. That why is this so? Why is he having impermanent loss? He's lost 1600 COREUM in under 2 months. Flares, Zinfin, Hedera. So yeah, yes, we would like Flares, Zinfin, Hedera. We cover them. We all love them. To be connected with this infrastructure that is being built. So, guys, what do you guys think about the interoperability renaissance of COREUM, Sologenic being involved? What do you guys think about it? Is this good for the long run, or it wouldn't do much? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.